students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So first question is, let the relation R in a set A where it is defined on X which belongs to integers such that X is greater than 0 and less than 12 given by R. So this relation is denoted by R, which is defined on A comma B where absolute difference of A and B is multiple of 4. Then this close bracket, this square bracket of 3 which means the equivalence class containing 3 is. These are our options. So let's see how to solve this question. So to solve this question, first thing that we are supposed to do is to find the set A. So set A is set of all the values which are integers between 0 to 12. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, correct? This is the set of A. Now R is a relation on A comma B such that absolute difference is multiple of 4, and this equivalence class containing 3 means we need a set of values of A and B. We need a set of values of A and B which contains 3, means that set must contain 3. So see, A and B option we can directly eliminate because they don't have 3 into them. But in option C and option D there is a 3. Option C is the A. So set of A, in set of A there is a 3, and in this set also there is a 3. So answer is between C and D. So now let's see if that set containing 3 means either A or B must be 3, correct? So let's take B to be 3. So if B is equals to 3, then absolute difference, that means difference of A minus 3, B is equals to 3. So A minus 3 should be multiple of 4, means 4 times K, correct? So A is equals to 4K plus 3, correct? 4K plus 3. So now let's calculate values of K. Here K is the integer. K belongs to integers. So we'll keep one by one integers. So let's start with 0. So K is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on. So let's start with 0. So K is equals to 0. We'll get A is equals to 3. So A is already in our set. So we are making a set which is containing 3 already. Now second number we need, after putting K is equals to 0, we are already getting 3. After we'll put K is equals to 1, we'll get A is equals to 7. So other value that this set can take is 7. If we will put K is equals to 2, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 will become 11. So A can be equals to 11 as well. So this set will contain 11. If we will put K is equals to 3, 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 3 will be 15. So 15, A is equals to 15, but A can't be equals to 15. Why? Because A is belonging from this set A, this set capital A, and that set only have a number between 0 to 12. So 15 can't belong to A can't be equals to 15 because it doesn't belong to the set A. Therefore, the only 3 values this set will have is 3, 7 and 11. So our correct option will be option D. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.